What is large-scale Scrum? LeSS. Have you ever wondered how large teams can work together effectively on a single product? Today, we are going to talk about large-scale Scrum, often referred to as LeSS. This framework is all about scaling the Scrum methodology, which is traditionally used by smaller teams to fit larger groups. Imagine multiple teams, sometimes hundreds or even thousands of people, collaborating seamlessly on one product. That is the essence of LeSS. At its core, large-scale Scrum maintains the fundamental principles of Scrum. It emphasizes iterative development through sprints, cross-functional teams, and delivering a potentially shippable product increment at the end of each sprint. The beauty of LeSS is that it adapts these principles to a larger scale while keeping things simple and effective. One of the key features of LeSS is the use of a single product backlog. Instead of having separate backlogs for each team, all teams work from one unified list. This approach ensures that everyone is aligned and prioritizing the same goals. It creates a clear focus across the entire product development effort. Another important aspect is the role of the product owner. In LeSS, there is one main product owner responsible for the overall vision and backlog. In very large implementations, known as less huge, additional area product owners may be introduced to manage specific areas of the product. This helps maintain communication and coordination among teams. LeSS also establishes a shared definition of done. This means all teams agree on the quality standards that must be met for their work to be considered complete. This shared understanding helps maintain consistency across the product. Teams in LeSS operate within a common sprint timeframe. This synchronization allows them to deliver integrated product increments together. The framework encourages cross-functional teams, which means each team has all the necessary skills to deliver product features without relying heavily on external groups. There are two main formats of LeSS. The basic LeSS format is suitable for 2 to 8 teams, typically involving 10 to 50 individuals. It closely resembles a single Scrum team but is scaled horizontally. On the other hand, LeSS Huge is designed for more than 8 teams and can involve thousands of people. This format introduces additional roles to help manage the increased complexity. LeSS promotes several principles that guide teams in their work. Transparency is key, as is empirical process control, which means making decisions based on observation and experience. Lean thinking is encouraged to eliminate waste and focus on delivering value. Systems thinking helps teams understand the product and organization as a whole, while customer centricity ensures that the end user remains a priority. From a project management perspective, LeSS provides techniques that help coordinate multiple teams without adding unnecessary complexity. It encourages shared ownership of the product and clear communication channels. Sprint planning often occurs in 2 stages. First, there is a joint meeting with the product owner and team representatives to decide on backlog items. Then, individual team meetings take place to plan the detailed work. In essence, large-scale Scrum is a scalable Agile framework that applies Scrum principles to larger product development efforts. It maintains simplicity, shared ownership, and synchronized teamwork. This allows project managers to efficiently manage multiple teams while delivering a unified product increment at the end of each sprint.